Welcome to this video on the different job roles in digital marketing. After watching this video, you'll be able to recognize different digital marketing roles and opportunities, describe the required skills for digital marketing. With the rise of e-commerce, social media, and digital advertising, businesses are investing more in digital marketing than ever before. The flexibility of digital marketing careers allows professionals to work in various industries from e-commerce to technology to healthcare. Whether you prefer data analysis, content creation, or anything in between, there is a role suited for your strengths. Let's explore some of the key job roles in digital marketing today. SEO specialists optimize websites to improve visibility on search engines such as Google, aiming to drive organic traffic by ranking content for relevant keywords. Key skills include keyword research, on-page optimization, link building strategies, and technical SEO, such as site speed, mobile optimization, and indexing. They must also be proficient with Google Search Console and other SEO tools. SEO specialists can work with agencies, in-house SEO teams, or as freelancers to help businesses enhance online visibility. Content marketers create engaging content such as blogs, infographics, video scripts, and social media posts to attract and retain audiences. They need strong writing skills, SEO knowledge, and experience with content management systems such as WordPress. They should also be familiar with social media and email marketing strategies. Content marketers can work as bloggers, brand journalists, copywriters, freelance writers, and strategists. Social media managers handle a brand's presence on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, formerly known as Twitter. They create content, engage with followers, and run ad campaigns to boost visibility. They possess skills in social media strategy, content planning, community engagement, paid ads, and tools such as Meta Business Suite and Hootsuite. They can work in-house for brands or agencies, or freelance, often for small businesses and startups. Pay-per-click or PPC specialists manage paid ads on platforms such as Google Ads and social media to maximize return on investment. They need skills in Google Ads, social media advertising, data analysis, budget management, bidding strategies, and A/B testing. PPC specialists can work for agencies, e-commerce businesses, and brands. Or they can work as independent consultants managing multiple clients. Another job role is email marketing specialist. These specialists create targeted email campaigns to engage subscribers and drive conversions. Key skills for this role include proficiency with email automation platforms such as MailChimp and HubSpot, expertise in segmentation and personalization techniques, the ability to perform A/B testing on subject lines and email design, and ensuring compliance with regulations such as General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR. Many email marketers work in digital marketing teams. Still, freelancers specializing in email automation can also build a strong client base. Data analysts interpret marketing performance metrics and provide insights to improve campaigns. Digital marketing strategists analyze data to develop and optimize marketing efforts across multiple channels. Professionals in these roles must be proficient in data visualization tools such as Google Analytics, Tableau, and Power BI. They need expertise in marketing funnel analysis and reporting to track customer behavior effectively. Strong skills in customer segmentation and predictive analytics help in targeting the right audience. Data analysts and digital marketing strategists typically work for large companies or marketing agencies. However, many also choose to work independently as consultants, providing data-driven marketing solutions to businesses. A digital marketer is a generalist who manages the overall digital marketing job function, directing and supervising other digital functions. They are responsible for the overall digital efforts of a brand across SEO, paid advertising, social media, email marketing, or content. Key skills for this role include an understanding of marketing. A digital marketer must also have an overall understanding of various digital marketing approaches. They should be experienced in performance tracking across different marketing channels. Digital marketers work with advertising or digital agencies and brand organizations. Or they work as freelancers managing multiple small business digital accounts. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is the flexibility it offers. Many professionals choose to work independently by offering specialized services as freelancers or starting their digital marketing businesses. Some popular freelance roles in digital marketing include SEO consultant, social media manager, copywriter, content strategist, and PPC ad campaign specialist. Several key trends are shaping digital marketing careers. Businesses are increasingly using AI for content creation, ad targeting, and chatbot interactions. The demand for video content continues to rise across platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Privacy regulations such as GDPR are making first-party data collection a priority for companies. Additionally, the growth of voice search and conversational marketing is driving the need for content optimization for voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant. Digital marketing offers diverse career paths for everyone. Whether you're interested in SEO, content creation, paid advertising, or data analytics, there's a role suited to your skills. In this video, you learned that digital marketing offers a wide range of roles including SEO specialists, content marketers, social media managers, PPC specialists, and email marketing experts. Each role requires specific skills, such as expertise in SEO tools, writing and storytelling abilities, social media strategy, PPC ad management, and email automation techniques. Professionals in these roles can work for large companies and agencies or operate as freelancers offering specialized services. Key trends shaping the industry include the rise of AI in marketing, growing demand for video content, the importance of data privacy, and the increasing use of voice search. Digital marketing careers provide flexibility with opportunities to specialize and grow independently or within an organization.